Opportunity, the game changer of life. Opportunities don't just knock, they pass by in whispers, waiting for you to notice them. The real question is, are you ready to seize them? Opportunities often come disguised as challenges. That's why most people miss them. They're too busy complaining or waiting for perfection. But successful people, they see the silver lining and take action. Here's the first step. Train your mind to recognize potential. When you encounter a problem, ask yourself, how can I turn this into a solution? For example, a frustration with local services could inspire a business idea. Next, say yes more often. Many opportunities are lost because we fear we're not ready. The truth is, you'll never feel completely ready, so start anyway. Also, build your skills and network. Opportunity favors the prepared. The more you learn and the more people you connect with, the more doors will open. Finally, take risks. Growth lives outside your comfort zone. Whether it's applying for a new job, starting a project, or pitching an idea, don't let fear hold you back. Action is what turns opportunities into success. Opportunities are everywhere. You just have to be willing to see them and bold enough to take them. The next one could change your life. Don't wait. Go after it.